In this video, I will show you how to add table automatically in Excel. For this, I can select first I select this section, and now I will create the table over here. Go to insert and then click on table, and you see this section is selected, and press OK. Now your table has been created. In this you can write everything or anything. Let's suppose you can write product name, product name. No, sorry, you can write it here, column, in column 1, product name, name, price, discount, discounted price. No, in this way the table has been created, and now you can enter the data in this table. Thanks for watching this video. The next thing will be in other video.